Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC. And while you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. We're back out here on the final day of our project in Kansas City, Missouri. This is our pretty decent-sized cellar project. To give a brief overview, when we first started this project, we had cinder block walls lining the stone foundation inside this second room down here in the cellar. So step one was to get our 6x6s in place and really make sure that the floor joists were fully supported, and then start removing that cinder block to expose the voids in the stone foundation behind it. And as you can see, the next step was getting new stone to rebuild that stone foundation, and we built it out a little bit farther also to give a nice look to everything down here. So once that part was done, the next step was to completely mortar the stone foundation walls everywhere else in the cellar from top to bottom, corner to corner, with high strength concrete. Now we're finishing up the last step of that renovation process with our white waterproofing paint. Looks so much different down here. We're not even done yet, but you can tell a huge difference down here compared to the first day that we started this project. So we'll have another video later this afternoon once everything is completely done, and at that point I'd really encourage everyone to compare that video with the day one video before we started, to really get that nice before and after effect. The final big portion of this project was repouring the floor here. So we've got that taken care of. Everything looks really nice, and now we're just slowly working our way to the entryway where we mortared those two walls alongside the steps to get down here. And once we're done on the inside, we will take care of some miscellaneous items. We have a couple doors we're going to reframe on the front side of the house. On the street side, we've already tuck pointed the pair of stone walls lining the front steps. So that's all taken care of. Everything looks really good out there. Before we leave, we are going to make sure that all the floor joists are showing level. Do any kind of work we need to make sure that the cellar down here is properly supported. The joists here, so yeah, we're looking good. Probably just a couple more hours out here before we have everything finished up. So stay tuned for that final video later this afternoon. Again, we'll just do a silent walkthrough showing the finished product. Probably mention a couple things as far as the new door and everything, but yeah, that is pretty much it for King Piers down here in Kansas City on this cellar project. For all your foundation and piering needs, please don't ever hesitate to give us a call. You can always reach us directly at 1-816-288-4373. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. And again, don't forget, you can always check us out on YouTube and Facebook if you just search for King Piers LLC. And while you're there, please leave a like and a subscribe. Thank you.